Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can accept collaborator requests on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders. Right here you're going to find products, customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store, and here apps, and in the bottom you're going to find settings. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is just go to settings. And then once you're here in your settings, here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. So right here, you're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments. Here you're going to find checkout, customer account, shipping and delivery, and so on. So right now, go ahead and click on users and permissions. And then here you're going to find the store owner name. If you are the store owner, you can transfer the ownership. As you can see, guys, from here, you're gonna find staff accounts, POS app only staff, collaborators, and so on. So basically, guys, right now, go to collaborators, and then here you're gonna find give external designers, developers, and marketers access to your Shopify admin. Here you're gonna find the option to check anyone can send collaborator request, or only people with a collaborator request code can send a collaborator request. So basically, guys, right now, first of all, if you choose the collaborator request code, make sure you copy the code, send it to the collaborator you want to add, and they're gonna be able to send you the request. You're going to receive it right here, and then all you need to do, guys, is approve their request. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.